Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this logo animation on CapCut PC. So we're just going to enlarge it and we're going to rotate it first like this, and we're going to add in a keyframe here, and then like right about the 1 second mark I'm just going to make it smaller and place it like on this side. I'm just going to add a text here real quick that says CapCut. God. Like that. Let's go back here, and then we're going to the 2 second mark and we're going to bring it to the left side, and we're going to put the rotation back. Okay, hold on, let me just bring it down here, then put the rotation back. So it looks something like that. Then on the CapCut here, right click, create compound clip. I'm just going to make it start from here. Delete the first part, go to video, go to mask, and select the horizontal one, and you're going to rotate it this way. Add a keyframe. Okay, I do like it when it's on top instead. And then frame by frame, you're just going to reveal the letters along with the logo like this. Okay, and that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.